Is it normal for me to make weird noises during Snu Snu time?
Oh yeah, totally, all the time. You do that all the time.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
You do.
Okay, can I have an example?
Sometimes you're like,
Stop it!
at me.
Okay, no, I don't power up like a Super Saiyan. What do you think? I'm just gonna I just push you down onto the bed, and then I slam the door shut, and I'm like, welcome to the jungle, baby, you're gonna die. Ah! Like, and then I do that, and I'm like, it's over 9,000, bitch. Like, you think that I'm just gonna destroy your pelvis and you kind of like it, you just lay there and you're like, oh
I
no.
just want to have my titties and my ass.
You lay there and you're like, oh no, my Dragon Balls.